love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today in the entire Python chapter is going to be lesson number 91, and in the SciPy this is lesson 4, part 2 of our sparse data. So what did we see in the part 1? The sparse data contains of all zeros and the dense data contains of non-zeros. So the sparse data is usually the unused element. So we saw that, and we also gave an example of in a busy highway, let's actually measure the number of two-wheelers, four-wheelers, and in the four-wheelers, cars, bus, lorry, heavy trucks, and stuff of that nature. So the unused data here or there when the dog crosses or the cow crosses or whatever, these are unused data. So, it is like, but, just like this data is actually unused. It is not taken into calculation or consideration. So anything with a zero is, sparse, and anything non-zero is a dense. So we actually saw that. So yesterday we saw that optimizer. So today we are going to see how the sparse matrix methods, that is viewing the stored data, not the zero items of the data property. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this code. I'm going to be typing it here. So this we know by now. Import numpy as np. This SciPy sparse import CSR matrix, because we saw CSE and CSR, and this is CSR. So this is the array, and I say print CSR this array dot data. So it actually gives me 1, 1, 2. So which is non-zero, it gives me 1, 1, 2. Okay, so this is what it actually sees as the non-zero, because we're asking for the non-zero. All right, not the zero items, the data property. All right. So counting non-zeros with a count non-zero method. Okay, so counting non-zeros with a count non-zero method. So if you actually take this and run this code, you will actually see exactly it is the same. The first 3 lines are exactly the same, but print CSR array this thing and then the data. So we actually say count non-zero. This is what it is, and let's actually see it is 3. So it is counting the non-zeros as 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there is 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 non-zeros. All right. Now removing the 0 entries from the matrix with eliminate zeros. So yeah, we can also eliminate the zeros. And how do we actually do that? Same import numpy as np. The first 3 lines of the code is the same, and then we take matrix CSR matrix array, and then we say matrix eliminate 0. So basically all these zeros can disappear. See here, in 1, the 2, that is 1. In 2 and 0, that is 1. 2 and 2, that is 2. So this is what it is, and this is what the print matrix is. It has actually eliminated all the zeros. All right. Now eliminating duplicate entries with the sum duplicate methods. So how do I actually say this? You can actually do a sum duplicates. So you can actually take this. You can actually, all the first 3 lines of the code is the same, and you're going to do a sum duplicate. And when actually, you're going to eliminate the duplicates. So when you're actually running it, this is what it is. You're eliminating the duplicates. All right. So converting from CSR to CSE to CSE. We have been doing the CSR. So now if you actually see the CSE, we are going to do the CSE. Okay. The compressed, columns, and this is the rows. Okay. That is the CSR and the CSE. So all the first 3 lines is the same. So we have a CSR matrix array to the CSE, and we give this. So if you see this, now this is the column. All right. So apart from the mentioned sparse specific operations, sparse matrices supports all of the operation that a normal matrix support. Example, reshaping, summing, arithmetic, broadcasting, etc. All right. So what did we learn other than the CSE and CSR? That is why I told you this is going to be another lecture. We saw how to actually view the not the zero items, how to actually count the non-zero, how to actually remove the 0 items, and how to actually eliminate the duplicate entries. Okay, and how to convert the CSR to CSE. All right, with this we actually end this sparse data lecture, and tomorrow I'll actually see you with another new lecture. I trust you have actually enjoyed my lecture. Probably understood the same. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I'd like to thank 2 persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree, following me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, thank you, take care, and cheers.